In this video we will learn features of score slab-wise in performance option in FlowHCM. First of all, we will log in into FlowHCM portal. Here is the dashboard. Click on the performance module on top navigation bar. So here you can see performance setup form. Click on action and then edit button. Click on performance option form. Select yes from slab-wise drop-down under report settings. Select the review type from drop-down and define the percentage. Percentage for each review type will be added for final score. After changes, click on our update button. System will show a small pop-up indicating that your performance setup is successfully updated.